Welcome to Real Talk Vlogs Midweek Break with Jack and Steve.
This is the wrong show, Steve.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Wrong show. But we'll do it. We'll like dual intro it. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It's day 12 of Vlogmas, and we're at the PRI show here in Indianapolis, Indiana. But we're walking through the beautiful downtown Indianapolis.
I think it used to be a firehouse. It was supposed to look like a firehouse.
Maybe. There's a big firehouse. All right, well, I don't know quite how today is gonna play out, so just enjoy the ride. All right, world. Well, you ever just have one of those moments where you kind of feel like you know what you're doing, and then you realize
You don't?
I had one of those.
He did.
I probably took us about 2 miles out of the way. It's a 15-minute walk. Wait a minute.
15-minute walk.
It's supposed to be a 15-minute walk. Those are interesting. They like got like louvers cut in them.
No, this is not when we divert topics.
Oh, okay.
Bad guy.
Long story short, it's like a 15-minute walk from our house to the show. Steve and I got on tangent. You know, you've seen in the little clip I did before this one where we're just walking, talking. 28 minutes out of the way.
28 minutes.
That means been walking for, well, total walk for 45 minutes.
That's fine. I have explained to Jack very distinctly that if it was not for the amazing breakfast sandwich that he made for me this morning.
From Instagram, inspired.
Inspiration from wherever. My stomach is full and I'm energized. And if it wasn't for that, you'd be receiving such a scathing right now. Okay? We're getting our steps in. We're gonna be exercised and fully fit by the time we return.
I think this is what also happened. We had a lot of white walking men, so we just kept walking.
No.
No, can't blame.
No. I believe what happened is I asked if you were lost, and you went on explaining how your geographic skills were infallible, and I made the mistake of believing you.
Yeah, he's right.
I'm excited for tow rigs though, man. Legit. You've seen my tow rig.
Yeah.
I'm ready to be outclassed.
I'm ready to dream you out, class. I'm curious what things really cost is my big one here. Like, I'm ready to dream and see what I could have, but I'm more curious, what does that dream cost so I can put a number to it?
$750K.
You think?
Bare minimum, $750K.
All right, well, before we get in too far into this, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think your dream rig is gonna cost? And we're gonna go look at some price tags.
My dream rig is not available. What I want and a tow rig you can't get.
So what do you want?
First off, I don't want any slides. It's me and my girlfriend. We travel in the tow rig and the dog. I don't need 9 beds. I need to be able to tow 15,000 pounds and sleep 2 with a shower.
So to me, that sounds like you need a custom super seat.
But the problem is finding a custom super seat without a slide.
You don't have, I mean, you could have, they make them, they gotta make them, because it basically
you start talking about a Freightliner with a super sleeper for a truck driver.
No, that's all a super C is really, is basically
a
class.
Find me a super C without a slide. Find me a super C that can tow 15,000 pounds without a stupid slide that sleeps 2 people, and I will be damn near sold. I mean, it's got to fall in my wallet range, but at the same, I looked. It's why I still have the van.
Okay. Steve definitely likes to get on rants.
Yeah, I just don't fit in with the normal ass person.
Hey, it's all right. Normal is boring. All right, I get that. Normal is boring, world. All right, guys. So we found what is this? The tow rig exhibit finally. How you feeling, Steve?
Yeah, my leg hurts.
Does it? I broke him. Oh, whoa, what are you guys doing here? Who allowed you to come in?
Tranny.
I was getting
Who gave you your badges?
I don't know, dude. Like, who gave me the press media badge?
That was my oops.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah, totally. No, this turns
So I've gotten you 0 business because I'm getting my ass kicked out of here if I do, so.
Yo, there's so many cool things inside here. I just want to touch and buy one of everything.
You just put the little groover in that. You can groove.
Oh, I thought this is for when you wanted to clean all the crap off your tires.
I mean, like, it is, but you can get different heads for them.
Oh, okay. Is that what that's for?
No, it's not.
Not at all. Oh. Could have fooled me.
I don't recommend cutting your own new treads into your slicks tire.
No, I don't recommend.
I mean, I got some slicks. We can test it out and see how well they work on this street. All right, let's go check out some tow rigs, guys. Let's go dream a little bit. I want to step back and put this into perspective. This is what I've been thinking about. Super Cs, like stuff like this size right here. I think this would be the ideal size. Drive up here, sleep at least one up there. I mean, it's a perfect floor plan. You got a king bed. It's got
It tows 2,000 pounds more than what my van tows.
Yo, that's 2 race cars.
Here, I can take this without this slide.
Can it be offered though without that slide? Like, why do you have to have that?
They do not offer them without slides. People. Second note, I want to point out.
That thing's cool.
Look how much overhang there is over the rear axle. You have 9 feet.
It is a lot.
Right? But I don't want that much overhang, man. Like at this point, I'm gonna buy a school bus. And I'm gonna put a shower in a school bus.
We're done. We're done.
20,000 pounds.
That thing's perfect. So it's basically a semi.
That is a semi.
No. There's the one that's for me right there. It's on the. I'll take this model right here.
Oh, no, stop smashing your hand.
It's like the 6th time I've done it.
That's close to you, man. Yeah, I don't.
Whoa. Turn it off. Whoa. This thing's huge. It's nice. Like, this is nice. What? Oh, the bed's so close to each other?
If you got kids, if you have 10-year-old kids, sure. But me and my boys going on a road trip with the race trailer, this ain't happening.
I don't think it's a problem personally. I'd rock it. I'd rock it. I mean, it's got a privacy curtains. You're good.
Private space, man.
It's whatever.
But also the
What's in here?
slide. It's a bathroom.
Ooh, I love how there's LEDs everywhere.
Is that a bathroom?
What's that? Why do we need 2 bathrooms? I think that's a waste of space, personal opinion.
Yeah,
but this thing is legit.
The guy that's sitting here can tell us if they offer one without a slide.
Oh yeah.
And it'd be all that we need.
Question: can you buy one of these without a slide in it?
Sure. What I want and a tow rig you can't get.
Steve and I have been on this rant of trying to find one of these things with no slide in it.
This is the first one I've ever seen in person with no slide.
Oh.
Yo.
I already love it.
Nope, I hate it.
Oh. That's weird.
That's a absolute not gonna buy this one spot right there.
Yeah, but this, look at the sleeping. Like we can sleep a lot of people in here. We'll just take a Sawzall to it, it's fine. We can fit like 8 people in here. I love this. This will work perfect. It's in there.
Standalone pooper?
Ooh! You don't get to.
You're not allowed to wash your hands though.
I guess not.
Yo, after you shit in this RV, you gotta wipe your ass, flush the paper, hit the button, grab this handle, unwashed hands, then exit, grab this handle, unwashed hands, and then follow in to the hand washing station. We're not gonna turn that on. And then you get in here with your super close buddy, you know.
Nice, nice.
Yo, just push this door, right? Look, push this door to here. Put a wall here, because they can get up in and still have.
Yeah, if
you can have a portion of your bunk blocked.
No, I do agree.
Just make a door fucking here and go into your bathroom.
I like this. Like for a setup, from the point of a setup, like if you were bringing your team to something, I could do. Yeah, that's
not
all
a
this.
Weekend racer rig.
No, this is definitely a team rig. I like it though.
Where's the sales guy at? Yo, the split.
These are cool, man. These really are cool. All right, guys. Well, I think we're done here in the trailer exhibit show. I'm gonna head back over to the PRI show, do some more wandering around. I don't know how well this is gonna edit out so far, being as it's been like clips and bits and pieces of things coming together. Just want to get fitted for a seat and for a helmet. I know Steve's been talking about it, so I think that's something we're gonna go find out. Anyways, I'll check back in a while.
Yo,
what do you
this
got?
helmet's cheaper. This full carbon helmet is cheaper than my motorcycle helmet.
Really?
I have now. 675 bucks.
I don't think that's bad when you consider your brain buck. It's holding your brain.
Oh yeah, dude. So
$600 to save my brain isn't that bad.
Long story short, I was hit on Roddy's motorcycle by somebody else running a red light.
Mm-hmm.
Right, and I had a run-of-the-mill decent helmet, and then going through an experience where
Imagine driving that.
where you are not the one in control, right, and you've been hit. You know what? I don't know who's gonna hit me ever. I'm gonna protect my head the best that I can. If y'all can't tell, I'm not a physically fit, manual labor, money producing machine. I'm gonna do it all with my brain.
Well, then what do you need a body for?
I'm talking about a helmet.
Oh, gotcha. That's right. We're talking about. I got lost.
That's all. I'm done on my rant. Just
okay.
Spend money on a helmet.
Yeah, good helmets.
It's an investment well made.
And fire suits. All right, guys. Well, I hope you're having a good time at PRI with us. If you are, make sure to smash that like button. Go ahead, jump over, click on that subscribe button. We got a ton of more content coming from Vlogmas. So.
And then also follow up with Real Talk Vlogs in our follow-up episode to PRI, where we'll discuss all of the details of all the amazing stuff we've seen over the past 4 days.
Not to mention the most modern manufacturing techniques, since we've been leading through, you know, everything pre-1910, pre-assembly line, and now leading through 1910 through what, 2000 I think is the last upload we did?
Yeah, we covered the continuation of the traditional era of assembly line manufacturing. We'll take what we have from this event, and obviously there's a whole lot of modern production techniques that have been implemented over the last decade, and we'll catch you all up over that.
Yep. Hey guys, well, we'll be back. That's so cool.
What?
The vet. The vet is.
There is an extremely small percentage of Corvette right there. Corvette. The bumper is not Corvette. The front fenders are not Corvette. The rear fenders are not Corvette. The rear bumper is not Corvette. The doors might be Corvette.
That mirror housing's Corvette.
Oh, that mirror's Corvette.
That's definitely Corvette.
This dash panel, 100% not Corvette.
You sure? I think that's an option that you could get. It's next to Z06. Yeah, it's just next to Z06.
Oh, okay.
We're good.
All right. Yeah, C5ZR1, huh?
All right, guys. Oh, dude, somebody crushed that bird. We gotta find a straight stretch of road so we can go drag racing.
All right, we got 0 seconds there. We got
Hey, dude, my man got a fucking break over here, eh?
Oh. You good?
You have a step brake.
Oh, what? What?
Oh,
Tuck it off! You got it? Oh, look at this stretch. This is a real race here tonight. We got the bird in lane 1. Lane 2, we got another bird run by Jordan Botcher. Jordan, hold that up for me, would you please, sir? Thank you. In the lane 3, we got Donnie Shackelford.
reigning league champion, Steve.
With the weight on...
new sponsored line bike.
And executing tonight's race, Mr. Tailpipe, and he is going to hand off the camera. Can I give you this?
Sure. What's going on here?
You are announcing this race as you go, so
I can't fucking.
you get the lead.
I ain't leading.
Okay, then just give us the hand drop.
All right. On in 3, everyone at the line. To the line. So it's an even start.
Wait.
This line.
Where's the end?
The end will be those fences down there. On 3. 1, 3.
It wouldn't go at all.
Oh shit!
Like mine didn't go at all.
Here you go.
Whoa. Hey, it's our lane. We get to go. It's our right away. It's our right away. Catch that wave. All right, check it out. I don't know how much light we have here, so talk loud.
Light, so talk loud.
We are going to race you back to the house. So you can put your shit box closer to the house because you're parked in East Jesus. We're gonna do this Top Gear style.
No, really not.
Huh? Should we go? I think I know.
Is he getting in his truck? Wait till he starts his truck.
We'll be there in 45 seconds. We will definitely get there.
All right, you guys pull out the route. Get it ready. We're gonna do.
We already know. Go there, or
Yeah.
go straight there and up and over. Straight down.
I'd
or,
say we go that way, hit that 2nd street, and come back.
Got it.
Okay.
No, we're essentially gonna stay on the sidewalks in the main
Oh
street.
yeah, because if we catch a good break, we can just flow with traffic. And if he stops, yeah, we go. All right, you.
Yo, scooter gang's ready to go. Truck boy better hop his speed up. Where am I parking?
Front door, 25 and a half. As soon as he drops that thing, it's on. Go, go, go. Roll, 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 roll. Check it. Go, 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 go. Bump! Bump! Car! Bottle! Massachusetts. Which one's Massachusetts?
What's that?
Which one's Massachusetts? Which way? Which way? Which way?
Up that corner, up that corner, up that corner. We have green.
Go, cross, cross. There's the green. There's a girl. Road. Oh, it looks like we might win. Oh, we're close now. We're real close. Can we get there? Can we get there? Oh, shit. Sorry. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Ha!
Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Forward.
I'm on the door. I'm on the door.
Yo, that was a close action.
That was so good. Oh, that was so good. All right, let's close this thing out. Thank you for Bird, the Lime, for hashtag not sponsoring this. Your goal getting out of the truck should have been to run to the door. It's his job to park.
Nobody told me the rules.
Top Gear rules.
Nobody told me the rules.
That was your driver's job.
Nobody told me. I don't give a shit.
You're a navigator, man. You have to
And I was navigating him back into the spot, right into the trash.
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning.
We've won by a doorknob.
A door. All right, guys. So what we've proven on this one is that scooters are faster in downtown Indianapolis than truck life is. How's that parking job going?
Yo,
Oh, sweet.
Let me be clear. It took some sketchy scootering to beat the truck.
All right, everybody. Hello, everybody. All right, this is not an intro. This is actually an outro. Now I'm back from PRI, and I have realized that I didn't shoot like any outros whatsoever. I shot a bunch of intros and a whole bunch of content from within the show, with outside the show, shenanigans that we did, and I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. It's a lot of fun, actually, just being with the boys, hanging out. Sometimes you gotta do those. Step away from normal life. I'm not a fan of the word normal. I hate the word normal. Normal is so boring. And normal is like a society standard of where everyone stands in one single line and that we have to do X, Y, and Z or we're not included in society. I have a whole rant about that. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this one. If you did, please consider smashing that like button. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more content like this, guys, 24 days of Vlogmas, which we are in the middle of right now, between now and Christmas. So if you're enjoying it, if you're new to the channel and the AI got you here, go back to the beginning, watch from day one all the way through Christmas. And guys, I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm outie.